As of 2025, Toyota's driver monitor camera has become more integrated with safety systems, making complete deactivation increasingly difficult. However, several options remain available to drivers who want to modify these settings. Modern Toyota vehicles feature enhanced driver monitoring with advanced facial recognition, tight integration with traffic jam assist, and regulatory compliance features that limit complete system shutdown. The first option is temporary deactivation through your vehicle's infotainment system. Navigate to Settings, then Driver Assistance, and finally, Driver Monitor to temporarily disable the system for a single drive cycle. However, it's important to note that this temporary deactivation typically resets when you restart your vehicle, requiring you to repeat the process each time. A more practical approach is partial deactivation. Instead of completely shutting down the system, you can adjust sensitivity levels from high to medium or low and selectively disable certain alerts while maintaining core safety functions. Options vary significantly by model. The 2024 Camry with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 offers three sensitivity levels but cannot be permanently disabled through the user interface, requiring dealer-level diagnostic tools for complete deactivation. Lexus models typically offer more granular control options, including enhanced privacy settings with encrypted data storage and options to limit data sharing while maintaining essential safety functions. Before attempting any deactivation, consider these important factors. Complete deactivation may affect your insurance coverage, removes important safety layers designed to prevent accidents, and creates significant risks during semi-autonomous driving phases like traffic jam assist. For most drivers, partial deactivation through sensitivity adjustments offers the best balance between reduced interruptions and maintained safety benefits, making it the recommended approach over complete system shutdown. Toyota restricts complete deactivation of the driver monitor camera because it serves as a critical safety component for traffic jam assist and other semi-autonomous features. The system continuously monitors eye movement, head position, and signs of drowsiness to ensure the driver remains attentive during semi-autonomous operation. When driver inattention is detected, the system provides escalating alerts and can automatically disengage traffic jam assist to prevent accidents. Regulatory organizations like NHTSA and IIHS have created significant pressure for mandatory driver monitoring in semi-autonomous vehicles. European regulations now mandate driver monitoring systems in new vehicles, and manufacturers must maintain these capabilities to address legal responsibilities and liability concerns. The most critical safety concern is the handover problem, the dangerous transition period when control switches between automated and manual driving. Without driver monitoring, this transition becomes extremely dangerous. The system ensures drivers are alert and ready to take control when needed, preventing accidents during these critical moments. Complete deactivation removes these critical safety redundancies, potentially increasing accident risks and leaving manufacturers vulnerable to liability issues. This is why Toyota restricts full system deactivation.